All right, here we have RUNE, or actually this one is called THORChain. THORChain symbol RUNE, R-U-N-E, versus the dollar being requested by Mr. Rejack. We're going to do a general overview of this one. This one actually rather simple. As long as this one is above the daily 20-month exponential average right here, which is 980, I do look at this as a reaccumulation formation. Obviously, we do have an upturn right here as well. And all major moving averages are in a bullish posture with volatility on the ground. So this consolidation is to be considered first and foremost a very healthy consolidation leading towards, well, continuation in this case. Anyways, did I already draw this in? No, I didn't. Something like this. Now, you could make a bit of a measure move on this one for that short-term time frame pattern right there, which I'm not, I'm not a humongous pattern trader, but I would be looking for a general move up just below 13 bucks if, assuming that it does break, which looking at the 4 hour looks like it is pretty damn mature within this. We also see BBWP is on the absolute ground right there as well. And 4 hour RSI is giving off a couple drives of hidden bullish divergence. So I do expect that this one's rather mature. Volume somewhat good on that last move, although I don't know how much this thing necessarily trades. Of course, it always comes with an invalidation point on the other side, which would be about 9.5 on this one. As long as you're above there, generally good. And I do favor the upside, not just for that short-term move, but very likely long-term continuation, of which next areas of interest would be all the way actually up here at around about 14 bucks to about 15 bucks actually. With potential for more over time. I mean, this is a pretty damn good setup. It looks like we very likely do have, I imagine the inverted head and shoulders will show up, yeah, on this time frame right here, the 3-day, rather powerful time frame. Again, I'm doing a bunch of patterns right now, but I'm really not a big pattern trader. I'm just curious where this one would line up with. Oh, hey, what do you know? It lines up with that $14 to $15 target. Can it go for more over time? Yes, but and I probably would expect it to, because this one actually has a really good history. In fact, going all the way back to 2019. But I'd want to see it clear above and close at least a daily above about 14 bucks first before I start to look towards new all-time highs. As far as the monthly goes, and not the best monthly, of them all, but it did actually confirm hidden bullish divergence on the last closure. So I suppose, good right there as well. Everything's kind of lining with continuation right here. Again, risk below about 9.5 bucks. Until that happens, I'm looking for continuation right here. All major moving averages are bullish. Short term would be what? It was like 14 bucks or right under 14 bucks. And then more medium term would be about 14 to 15 bucks. Sorry, this was, right below 13 bucks for the short term. Medium term, more like 14 to 15. And you start to close above there and probably looking at move towards your all-time highs and beyond. But take it one step at a time, sir, because time does trudge along ever so slowly now, doesn't it? All right, hopefully that was helpful. And there you go, sir.